Welcome back to the shop. Project El Cool-mino. Restoration complete. Two 55s in the front, two 75s on the back. Bumpers came out nice. Paint came out nice. It's got that classic Chevy stance, super aggressive looking. Bed liner, Raptor bed liner came out nice. All the trim is new. Everything's straight. 1968. Interior came out good. New carpet. Painted the dash. New stereo. Door panels. There's the 350. The 8 El Camino, in case we have to put everything back together. Lines, those are spark plugs, okay. We got vacuum lines there. Everything came out nice. Everything in here is powder coated, nothing's painted. Chevy orange, brackets, pulleys, valve covers. Yeah, there it is. Get some.